Class 5, My World Book, Chapter 7, Animals, Friends of Man. Relationship of animals and human beings is very old. Besides enjoying their company, man gets so many gifts from the animals. Let us get a detailed information about it. Paritas was the name of a pet dog of Alexander the Great, the emperor of Greece. Once, Darius III, the king of Persia, attacked Alexander. An elephant was about to crush Alexander during the war when his pet dog Paritas jumped upon the elephant to divert his attention and thus saved the life of Alexander the Great. Stories of many great people and their love for animals and the faithfulness of animals are world famous. Do you also know any such story? Ask any elder member of your family to narrate such story. Listen to them, write it, and then share it with your classmates. Dog is kept by humans with love for his faithfulness and watchfulness. Faithfulness matlab wafadari, watchfulness matlab alertness. Dog can protect a large herd of sheep and goat. If any sheep or goat gets separated from the herd, dog encircles it and brings it back. मतलब अगर कोई भेड़ बकरी अलग हो जाए अपने झुंड से तो डॉग जाता है और उसे घेर के वापस ले आता है, उसे घेर के वापस अपने हर्ड की तरफ डायरेक्ट करता करता उसको वापस हर्ड में मर्ज कर देता है और सारी गोट्स के साथ ले आता है. डॉग्स हैव एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी पावर ऑफ हियरिंग एंड स्मेलिंग. It can smell approximately 40 feet from under the earth. Due to these extraordinary characteristics, police take the help of dogs to catch criminals. Dog can recognize the voice, its direction and place 4 times better than humans. Basenji is the world's only hunting dog that cannot bark because of the special structure of its throat, but produces a prolonged growl, which is called yodeling. It is very similar to the howling of a wolf, but it's not the same. It's very similar to it. It's called yodeling. The first living being sent to space in Russian spacecraft Sputnik, or Sputnik also you may call it, in 1957 was a bitch named Laika. You can see the picture of both the dogs, Basenji and Laika, on page 42. Dear students, I will not be doing question answers with you. I am already highlighting the important parts in the chapter, so please help yourselves with the questions and answers. It's very, very easy. Let's get to reading. Page 42. After question 2, the next paragraph. Man and animals have an age-old relationship. Many animals are reared by man, which help in different ways. Reared means kept and raised for profit, for any particular purpose, to get something from them. Goats and sheep are important among the animals which are reared by man for milk and meat. Not only milk, egg and meat, but we also get wool from them. Do you know which animal gives us wool? Many people think that we get wool only from sheep, but there are other animals also from which we get wool. Rabbit. Wool from Angora rabbit has long fiber and is very soft. Angora rabbit जो होता है उसके लंबे लंबे बाल होते हैं. So the wool has long fiber and it is very soft. Camel. Man not only gets wool from camel hair but depends on it for many other reasons. Do you know that Pashmina wool is extracted from a goat named Pashmina found in Himalayas? Now look at the second picture. Have you seen this mark? Wool mark. This mark depicts the purity of wool. This is known as wool mark. Next time whenever you buy wool for your family, do not forget to check this mark. You can also see the mark given below on the packaging of some items. It says Bharat Sarkar or Government of India, and also there is written Ag mark. What does it show? On what type of items is it used? Ag mark is a mark used for agricultural products. I have done this question 3 for you on page 44 because I realized that not answers to all of these were given in the chapter. So I thought I would do this exercise to help you out. The purity of gold is marked by BIS. Wool is marked by wool mark. Electrical appliances is marked by ISI, and spices is marked by ag mark. Now I would request you children to yourself look into it, go online and find out the full forms of ag mark, ISI and BIS. Wool mark doesn't have a full form. We have learned that animals give many things as gifts to mankind. For example, milk, eggs, meat, leather, wool, etc. Selling milk is the main occupation of some people, therefore, they rear cattle. Have you ever seen Madari's show? Many people depend upon animals for their livelihood, like Madari and snake charmers. Animals become a source of livelihood for them. ये स्नेक चार्मर देख रहे हो लेफ्ट वाली पिक्चर में, और ये रहा मदारी ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. According to law nowadays, no one can capture and keep the wild animals. This law ensures the safety of wild animals from cruelty. Animals play an important role in traveling and transportation. Till now, you have learned that camel is used for traveling and transportation in the desert. In many regions, elephant and bull can be seen transporting things even nowadays. We'll read this paragraph, whole paragraph, from under the pictures again. According to law, nowadays no one can capture and keep the wild animals. Wild animals को अब मदारी या सपेरा भी लेके नहीं घूम सकते हैं, बिकॉज क्या होता है, कई बारी क्रूअल्टी करते हैं ये उन एनिमल के साथ. उनको ट्रेन करने के लिए उनको भूखा रख दिया, उनको मारा, या कई बारी स्नेक जैसे इतने डेंजरस एनिमल को अपने पास रखा हुआ है उसको ड्रग्स दे दिए ताकि वो सारे टाइम स्लीपी रहे. ऐसी बहुत सारी क्रूअल्टी, उनको भूखा रखा, ऐसी बहुत सारी क्रूअल्टी एनिमल्स के साथ होती है. तो इसलिए अब इन वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को कैप्चर करना और अपने पास रखना इलीगल हो गया है. इट इज़ नॉट अलाउड. Animals play an important role in traveling and transportation also. Till now you have learned that camel is used for traveling and transportation in the desert. Why is camel used for traveling and transportation in the desert? Because it can walk long distances. It can stay hungry, thirsty for a long period of time. It can store food and water inside its body and doesn't need to go for water and food every now and then. Similarly, in many regions, animals and bull can be seen transporting things even nowadays. आपने देखा ना कभी कभी गांव वगैरह में बुल को बांधा होता है. व्हाट इज़ द बुल? सांड. सांड को बांधा होता है और उसके पीछे रेड़ा लगाया होता है. देयर इज़ अ कार्ट अटैच टू द बुल और उस पर फार्मर्स अपने सामान, अपनी क्रॉप्स वगैरह लेके जा रहे होते हैं. सिमिलरली आपने एलिफेंट्स को भी देखा होगा. पंजाब में एलिफेंट्स ज़्यादा नहीं होते हैं, बट देर आर प्लेसेस इन इंडिया जहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा एलिफेंट्स होते हैं, तो वो लोड कैरी करने का काम भी करते हैं. वो लेबर का भी काम करते हैं, बड़ी बड़ी लकड़ियाँ उठा के यहाँ से वहाँ लेके जाना. अ टाइगर कैन लिफ्ट अप टू वेट ऑफ 250 kg इन इट्स ट्रंक. तो ये भी बड़ा एक अच्छा एनिमल है फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन एंड लेबर. Let us make a list of animals and the reasons for our dependence on them. अब reasons are listed on the left hand side and you have to write the name of an animal that we depend on for this particular reason. Milk के लिए क्या होगा? काऊ हो सकती है, बफलो हो सकती है, हनी के लिए हनी बी हो सकता है, वूल के लिए शीप हो सकता है, गोट हो सकता है, कैमल हो सकता है, अंगोरा रैबिट हो सकता है. देयर इज़ अनदर एनिमल कॉल्ड लामा, LLAMA, वो हो सकता है. बहुत सारे एनिमल्स हैं. सिल्क के लिए सिल्क वर्म्स होते हैं. कैरेज के लिए डोंकी है, हॉर्स है, एलिफेंट है, कैमल है, बुल है. सिक्योरिटी के लिए डॉग्स हैं. एग्स के लिए पोल्ट्री बर्ड्स हैं, डक्स हैं, हेन्स हैं. मीट के लिए गोट है, पिग है, शीप है, चिकन है, So many examples. We can take the help of animals for fulfilling our needs, therefore, we keep them. We should take good care of their needs like food, water, medicines, etc. Animals are also living beings like us. They also suffer from different diseases. We should consult veterinary doctor before treating them with medicines. Who is a veterinary doctor? A doctor that takes care of animals, that treats animals is called a veterinary doctor. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कई बारी वेट भी बोलते हैं, पर जब हम लिखेंगे तो वेटेरिनरी डॉक्टर लिखेंगे. Question 4. Which animals can be kept at home as pets? Write 5 sentences about anyone. You know the common pets. There are so many. We have dog, cat, hamster. There is a long list. So you do this question yourself. Write which animals give us wool. Question 5. Besides sheep. We already discussed a few names, so you can write those names. We have read that the animals are best friends and faithful companions of man. They provide us many things as gifts. They not only provide things but also beautify our environment with their sweet voices and attractive appearances. Sweet voices वाला कौन है? Cuckoo bird, कोयल. और attractive appearances वाला कौन है? एक simple सा example, peacocks. Page 46. Things to remember. Dog can protect large herd of sheep and goat. The first living being sent to space was a bitch named Laika. Wool from Angora rabbit is very soft. Pashmina wool is extracted from a goat named Pashmina found in the Himalayas. According to law, it is prohibited to capture or keep wild animals. Prohibited मतलब मना है, capture मतलब कब्जा करना. तो according to law, it is prohibited to capture or keep the wild animals. Now question number 6, 7, 8, 9 are very very easy. We have marked almost everything while reading. Question number 6 has some hints also. Words for fill up the blanks are given. So I'll request you all to please do these questions yourself. For help, I have highlighted some parts of the chapter. You can refer to those highlighted areas. For any suggestions or requests, please write in the comment section. Very soon I'll be posting another video of the next topic of the same book. If you have any requests, any comments, please post in the comment box. And for you to get direct notification automatically about any upcoming new videos, please subscribe by hitting the red button below that says subscribe. Thank you.